Today I'm going to show you a new feature in Hosting a Website Builder, but also stick around because I'm going to show you a little hack that makes it all the more easier to find new websites on the platform. Because this is what happens when you don't use either of these options. We've got 57 websites on this server, and the vast majority of these domains start with random seeded words and number combinations. Not great when you're trying to find a website that you're working on. The moment you put the website live, the domain name changes. But now at least we can click on this favorites option to add to our favorites, meaning that we can jump to the favorites section and see websites that we've tagged. This will certainly help when we are working on 5 or 6 websites concurrently, which is usually the case, and we need to keep them in this section whilst we're waiting on the client to finalize content, final meeting, sort out domain name before go live, etc. So add to favorites, a very quick, very easy, brand new feature in Hosting a Website Builder that's been long overdue. I would love it if we could change the development domain name to make this personalized for each project. It would still be at .builder-preview.com. That's absolutely fine, but we ideally need a way of differentiating between each of these. However, I have found a little workaround that does the trick whilst we're waiting for this new feature. If I go to add a new website, and I'm going to choose Hosting a Website Builder, and we're going to choose this hosting plan here. We've got 2 servers in total. Now it's redirecting to the Website Builder setup page. We could use the AI builder, or we could use the pre-made templates, and that's what I'm going to choose here. We've also got favorites for templates as well. So backing one of our own templates that we built for Hostinger, we'll choose this one. Okay, the template's in place and up and running. And if we look at this domain name here, we can see that URL. Let's go about changing this domain name. So I'm quickly looking via the hosting panel here, and we can see it's Grey Deer. That's the name we need to remember. And I'm going to go back to the websites one now, and we can see it's at the top here. So if we use this connect domain button here, if it's a domain name that we've already purchased, we can see that we've already registered this domain name. So we can just click next. I can confirm that I'm the owner, but it won't be live on this domain name yet. But what it does is it changes the domain as we appear in the admin area. So we can now see this domain name regardless of whether we transfer the domain across as well. So I can do this with all of my website projects because it actually doesn't matter whether you own the domain name or not, because you can't access it via this link. It says site cannot be reached, but we can still jump in and edit the website whilst it's mapped to this domain name. So there we go. A quick Hostinger life hack that will allow you to identify your websites when you are working on multiple sites at the same time before they're ready to go live. Hope this has helped you. This little trick has made a huge difference in terms of how I manage hosting a website, and at least until this new feature is in place, this works for me. I'd like to hear what you think. Otherwise, I'll catch you next time. Cheers.
If you have found this video helpful, then why not try out some of our other content? I'm Elwyn Davis, founder of Pixel Haze Academy, and I have been running successful fast-growth web design agencies for 20 years. To jump further into the Hostinger rabbit hole, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, use my affiliate link and get 10% off Hostinger, get exclusive discounts on my Hostinger courses, and the Pixel Haze VIP membership. On top of all of that, you can now book a one-to-one session with me, and we can tackle your web design challenges together. You can find all of these options in the description. Enjoy.